The MacBook legacy. MacBooks have been the gold standard for years, but can Apple maintain its edge in an ever-evolving tech world? Introducing the 2024 MacBook. The 2024 MacBook makes a statement right out of the box. Sleek packaging, instantly recognizable design, thinner and lighter than ever. The new M3 chip promises a significant performance boost. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore every aspect of the 2024 MacBook. Get ready for a deep dive into the future of mobile computing. The unveiling. Unboxing the 2024 MacBook is a carefully choreographed ballet of minimalism and elegance. Beneath the laptop, you'll find the essentials: USB-C charging cable, power adapter, and quick start guide. But the real excitement is all about the MacBook itself. First impressions. The 2024 MacBook feels incredibly light in hand. Clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and subtle refinements set it apart. The expansive Retina display stretches to the thin bezels. The keyboard and trackpad are as inviting and responsive as ever. The 2024 MacBook is a testament to Apple's obsession with detail. When it comes to design, Apple has always marched to the beat of its own drum. The 2024 MacBook inherits the DNA of its predecessors: clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and a focus on simplicity and elegance. Every curve, edge, and material choice serves a specific purpose. The unibody aluminum construction is both strong and lightweight. Apple's relentless pursuit of form and function sets it apart. The 2024 MacBook is as pleasing to the eye as it is to use. The 2024 MacBook refines an already winning formula: thinner and lighter design without sacrificing durability or battery life. Subtly rounded edges for a more comfortable feel. Redesigned hinge for smoother and more stable operation. Small details that speak volumes about Apple's commitment to quality. Apple adds a splash of color with the 2024 MacBook, introducing Midnight Blue, a sophisticated and elegant new color option. Space gray and silver are still available for a timeless look. The 2024 MacBook has a color option to suit your style. Built to endure, the 2024 MacBook's unibody aluminum chassis provides incredible strength and rigidity. The keyboard offers comfort and durability, with keys designed for heavy use. The trackpad is covered in toughened glass, smooth and responsive. The 2024 MacBook is built to handle the rigors of daily life. The M3 revolution. The 2024 MacBook is powered by Apple's most advanced chip yet, the M3. Built on a state-of-the-art 3nm process, it offers a significant leap in performance and efficiency, up to 30% faster CPU and 40% faster GPU performance. The M3 chip is also incredibly power efficient, delivering exceptional battery life. It's designed to handle the most demanding workloads. Power in action. The 2024 MacBook excels in real-world performance. Multitasking is a breeze thanks to the M3's powerful architecture and ample RAM. The M3 chip delivers exceptional battery life. The powerful GPU ensures smooth frame rates and stunning visuals in demanding games. The 2024 MacBook is a true do-it-all machine. beyond the benchmarks. The M3 chip integrates a powerful neural engine, advanced image signal processor, and dedicated security features. The neural engine handles machine learning tasks with incredible speed and efficiency. The advanced ISP delivers stunning image quality, even in low light conditions. The M3 chip includes a secure enclave coprocessor for protecting sensitive data. A visual feast, the Liquid Retina XDR display. The 2024 MacBook's Liquid Retina XDR display is a canvas for your imagination. The 14-inch panel boasts a resolution of 3072 by 1920 pixels. The 190 Hz refresh rate makes everything smooth and responsive. The display covers the P3 wide color gamut for accurate color representation. It's a display that brings every pixel to life. A symphony of sound, the enhanced audio experience. The 2024 MacBook features a 6-speaker sound system. The speakers create a wider soundstage, making it feel like the sound is coming from all around you. The audio quality is impressive, with clear highs, balanced mids, and deep bass. The headphone jack supports high impedance headphones for greater fidelity. Immersed in entertainment multimedia mastery, the combination of the Liquid Retina XDR display and enhanced audio system makes the 2024 MacBook a multimedia powerhouse. Watching movies is a treat with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Music sounds fantastic with plenty of volume and detail. Gaming is a joy with smooth frame rates and stunning visuals. Beyond the spec sheet, the subjective experience. The display is stunning with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp details. The audio quality is rich, full, and surprisingly loud. The combination of display and audio elevates the multimedia experience. The 2024 MacBook delivers an immersive and captivating experience. A symphony of inputs, keyboard, and trackpad. The Magic Keyboard is a joy to type on with well-spaced keys and satisfying tactile feedback. The keys are backlit for easy typing in low light conditions. The integrated Touch ID sensor allows quick and secure login. The Force Touch trackpad is incredibly responsive and supports a wide range of multi-touch gestures. The 2024 MacBook's input devices enhance the overall user experience. Section 2, Connected and Ready, Ports and Wireless Options. In today's interconnected world, a laptop is only as good as its connectivity options. Fortunately, the 2024 MacBook doesn't skimp on ports or wireless capabilities, ensuring you can stay connected wherever you go. The 2024 MacBook features 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports, offering blazing fast data transfer speeds, support for external displays, and charging capabilities. You can connect multiple peripherals, such as external hard drives, monitors, and docks, without breaking a sweat. And for those who prefer a more secure charging solution, Apple has brought back the beloved MagSafe charging port. The MagSafe connector magnetically attaches to your MacBook, preventing accidental trips over the charging cable. Wireless connectivity is equally impressive with support for Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. Wi-Fi 6E offers faster speeds and greater bandwidth than previous generations of Wi-Fi, while Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable and reliable connection with your wireless peripherals. macOS Sonoma unveiled. The 2024 MacBook delivers with macOS Sonoma, It's a significant leap forward, enhancing productivity and creativity. The redesigned desktop experience is noticeable. Widgets are now more powerful and customizable. Check the weather, control music, or monitor your calendar easily. macOS Sonoma streamlines your workflow. The updated Control Center offers more control. The improved Notification Center reduces distractions. Studio Display enhancements deliver studio quality video and audio. Look and sound your best in virtual meetings. Section 2. Seamless integration. The Apple ecosystem at your fingertips. One of the key advantages of choosing a MacBook is its seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, and macOS Sonoma takes this integration to the next level, blurring the lines between devices and creating a truly connected experience. With continuity features, you can seamlessly move between your MacBook, iPhone, and iPad, picking up right where you left off. Start writing an email on your iPhone and finish it on your MacBook. Copy text on your iPad and paste it on your MacBook. The possibilities are endless. AirDrop, Apple's wireless file sharing feature, has also been enhanced, making it faster and easier than ever to share files between Apple devices. And with iCloud integration, your files, photos, and documents are always available, no matter which device you're using. But it's not just about sharing files. It's about creating a unified ecosystem where your devices work together seamlessly. And macOS Sonoma is a testament to Apple's commitment to delivering a truly integrated and user-friendly experience. Powering through your day, battery life. With the 2024 MacBook, Apple has pushed the boundaries. No more anxiously searching for a power outlet. The ultra-efficient M3 chip and larger battery deliver astounding battery life. Apple claims up to 18 hours on a single charge. Confidently leave your charger at home. Fueling up fast. Even with its impressive battery life, there will come a time when you need to refuel the 2024 MacBook. Thankfully, Apple has you covered with fast charging capabilities that will get you back up and running in no time. The included USB-C power adapter supports fast charging, allowing you to juice up the 2024 MacBook from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's enough power to get you through several hours of work or entertainment. And if you're in a real hurry, even a quick 15-minute charge will provide enough power for a few hours of light use. This means you can spend less time tethered to a power outlet and more time getting things done. The 2024 MacBook's fast charging capabilities, combined with its exceptional battery life, make it the ideal laptop for those who are always on the go. You can confidently power through your day without worrying about running out of juice. The value proposition. Price meets performance. Let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Apple products have never been known for their affordability, but consider the value proposition. The 2024 MacBook isn't just a laptop, it's an investment. Built to last, with unmatched craftsmanship and attention to detail. Powerful M3 chip, stunning display, exceptional battery life, configurations to suit different needs and budgets. The 2024 MacBook delivers a premium experience. The verdict: is the 2024 MacBook worth it? The answer, as with most things in life, is nuanced. If you value quality, performance, and a seamless user experience, then the 2024 MacBook is in a league of its own. The M3 chip delivers desktop-class performance in a thin and light package. The liquid Retina XDR display is stunning, with vibrant colors and incredible detail. And the battery life, it's exceptional. The premium price tag will be a barrier for some. But for those who value Apple's ecosystem and premium experience, the 2024 MacBook is hard to beat.